Ashwa Sanchalanasana, equestrian pose. From Vajrasana, come to table pose. Now slowly bring your right foot forward in between the palms. Left leg stretch backward. Make sure your right knee and ankle is in one straight line and the left knee resting on the floor and ankle relax. Push the waist down, chest open and look forward. Keep breathing while holding this pose. After few breaths, slowly take your right leg back and move into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring the left foot between the palms and repeat same on the other side. Keep breathing while holding this pose, and after few breaths, slowly take your left leg back and move into Adho Mukha Svanasana, and from there drop your knees and come back to Vajrasana.